Welcome to the ultimate US Civics Quiz Challenge. From the Constitution to American history, these questions will truly test your knowledge. Can you pass the American GK test with a perfect score? Let's find out. What is the supreme law of the land? A. The President. B. The Constitution. C. Congress. Answer B. The Constitution. How many amendments does the US Constitution have? A. 27. B. 17. C. 50. Answer A. 27. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? A. Declaration of Freedom. B. Bill of Rights. C. Federal laws. Answer B. Bill of Rights. Who is in charge of the executive branch? A. The President. B. The Senate. C. The Supreme Court. Answer A. The President. What are the two parts of the US Congress? A. Army and Navy. B. Senate and House of Representatives. C. Courts and Governors. Answer B. Senate and House of Representatives. How many US senators are there? A. 50. B. 435. C. 100. Answer C. 100. We elect a US senator for how many years? A. 2 years. B. 6 years. C. 8 years. Answer B. 6 years. Who vetoes bills? Oh, the President. B. The Vice President. C. The Governor. Answer A. The President. What is one right in the First Amendment? A. Trial by jury. B. Freedom of speech. C. Owning land. Answer B. Freedom of speech. What did the Declaration of Independence do? A. Declared independence from Great Britain. B. Started Congress. C. Created the courts. Answer A. Declared independence from Great Britain. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. Answer B. Atlantic Ocean. What is the capital of the United States? A. New York. B. Washington, D.C. C. Los Angeles. Answer B. Washington, D.C. Who was the first president of the United States? A. Abraham Lincoln. B. George Washington. C. Thomas Jefferson. Answer B. George Washington. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? A. Benjamin Franklin. B. Thomas Jefferson. C. John Adams. Answer B. Thomas Jefferson. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? A. Germany. B. Communism. C. Canada. Answer B. Communism. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? A. Women's movement. B. Civil rights movement. C. Labor movement. Answer B. Civil rights movement. Who makes federal laws? A. Congress. B. The President. C. Governors. Answer A. Congress. What is the highest court in the United States? A. Federal Court. B. Supreme Court. C. State Court. Answer B. Supreme Court. What is one responsibility only for United States citizens? A. Pay taxes. B. Serve on a jury. C. Have a job. Answer B. Serve on a jury. When do we celebrate Independence Day? A. July 4th. B. June 14th. C. December 25th. Answer A. July 4th.